Good morning, everyone. Myself Dr. Anand Palse Kushwa. Today we are going to discuss pterygopalatine fossa. Exam में 20 marks में पूछा जाता है. Content, definition, boundaries in communication diagrams, then boundaries description, communications and content. Right. So definition: it is a small pterygopalatine. It is a small pyramidal shape situated deeply below the apex of orbit. बिलो दी अपेक्स ऑफ ऑर्बिट एक पैरामिडल स्पेस के अंदर ये फोसा सिचुएटेड रहता है. बाउंड्रीज में हमने इसे डिवाइड किया हुआ है सुपीरियर, इंफीरियर, एंटीरियर, पोस्टीरियर, मीडियल एंड लेटरल. राइट. सो अब हम इसकी बाउंड्रीज की बात करें तो अवेलेबल डायग्राम ऑफ टेरेगोपैलेटाइन फोसा एंड इट्स कम्युनिकेशन. तो यहाँ पे दिस पोर्शन विल शो एंटीरियर, दिस पोर्शन विल शो पोस्टीरियर. तो फर्स्ट here one triangle is there. In triangle one straight line is there. This one is greater palatine canal. This particular canal is greater palatine canal, and here 1 and 2. So this one is a lateral palatine canals, right? This one is lateral palatine canal. Here one pyramidal shape is there, pyramidal process of palatine, right? And this particular bone is parts of palatine bone, right? So here this particular triangle is very important. This major canal is greater palatine canal. This triangle is pyramidal process of palatine. This 1 or 2 lateral palatine canal, and this particular bone is parts of palatine bones. Here 1, 2 and 3 foramen is there. Uppermost is foramen rotundum, right? So foramen rotundum, second one is pterygoid canal, and third one is palatino-vaginal canal, right? So pterygoid canal and palato-vaginal canal, foramen rotundum, 1, 2 and 3. Here uppermost part is root of pterygoid process and under surface of body of sphenoid. This particular will come under posterior. This particular under will come anterior, right? So here two foramen. One is a sphenopalatine foramen on medial wall. This particular is sphenopalatine foramen, and this one is posterior surface of maxilla, right? Here one fissure is there, inferior orbital fissures, right, leading to orbit. यहाँ से orbit start हो जाता है. And this particular sinus is a maxillary sinus. Okay. So this available diagram of the pterygopalatine fossa and its communications. Next one is boundaries. So boundaries of pterygopalatine fossa में anteriorly superior middle part of the posterior surface of maxilla, right? So anteriorly superior middle part of posterior surface of maxilla, posteriorly root of the pterygoid process and anterior surface of the greater wing of sphenoid, right? तो यहाँ पे maxillary bone anteriorly, posteriorly sphenoidal bone, medial upper part of prependicular plate of the palatine bone, then laterally fossa opens into the infratemporal fossa through the pterygomaxillary fissure, right? यहाँ पे pterygomaxillary fissure lateral में यहाँ पे open होता है. Then superiorly under surface of body of sphenoid bone, again sphenoid bone superiorly, then inferiorly closed by pyramidal shape of the palatine in the angle between the maxilla and pterygoid process. So this all will come under the boundaries of pterygopalatine fossa. एग्जाम में काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पूछा जाता है कितने बाउंड्री डिवाइड हुआ है, एंटीरियर, पोस्टीरियर, मीडियल, लेटरल, सुपीरियर एंड इंफीरियर. नाउ communication. So anteriorly inferior orbital fissure leading to the orbit, anteriorly part में inferior orbital fissure, posterior में middle cranial fossa through the foramen rotundum, foramen lacrum through the pterygoid canal, and pharynx through the palatino-vaginal canal, right? So all three will come under posterior. Medially with the nose through the sphenopalatine foramen, laterally with the infratemporal fossa through the pterygomaxillary fissure, right? And inferiorly with the oral cavity through greater and lesser palatine canal, right? तो anterior, posterior, medial, lateral and inferior इन 5 में communication divide हुआ. Content की बात करें तो third part of maxillary artery, then maxillary nerve divided into 2 parts, zygomatic nerve and posterior superior alveolar nerve, and third one is pterygopalatine ganglion, right? तो इससे पूरे हमने pterygopalatine fossa को हमने 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया. Definition: boundaries under diagram and communication, then boundaries description, communication description and content. Thank you.